All right. So for your in class, for one of the assignments, which will be worth points, please check online to see what the points are. You need to, I've given you a scenario and you need to figure out what the neutral stimulus, unconditioned stimulus, this area, what it is. So this is a scenario. This is going to be the example that's online. So I'm going to help you with this, and then for these two, you have to do number 2 and 3, which you will see online as number 1 and 2 by yourselves. So here we have Lynn is a 2-year-old girl, her mom, and she liked to play a game where her mom pretends to have one of Lynn's stuffed animals, a little monkey, tickle Lynn's feet. Actually, Lynn's mom is doing the tickling. Lynn laughs and kicks her legs reflexively whenever her feet are tickled. Now, if Lynn sees her mom grab hold of her stuffed animal, Lynn starts to laugh and kick her legs. So in this scenario, I've highlighted the stuff that goes in here. I find, and you do whatever is makes sense to you. But one of the easiest ways to do this is to first figure out what the response is. An unconditioned response and conditioned response are both the same. Its response is a behavior that's exhibited, right? So in this case, you want to look at what's Lynn's response or behavior, which is laugh and kick her legs. So remember, the response will be the same whether it's conditioned or unconditioned. So you want to put the same thing as both. It'll be the same exact one, right? I'm going to erase this. Okay. What did I do? Sorry. Oops. Anyways, you know what I'm saying. Okay. You want to think unconditioned means unlearned, right? Something that is automatically happening in the environment. I'm trying to fix this. So what is making her laugh and kick automatically? Unconditioned stimulus always brings about, automatically, reflexively brings an unconditioned response. So what is making Lynn laugh and kick automatically? It's the mom tickling her, right? So tickling will automatically bring about the laughter and kicking. Now, what the mom is, the neutral stimulus, something in the environment before conditioning takes place that doesn't do anything before conditioning, is the stuffed animal, right? If I show you, or Lynn, at the beginning, if I show her stuffed animal, nothing will happen. So that becomes the neutral stimulus. So what Lynn's mom is doing is pairing up the neutral stimulus plus the unconditioned stimulus to bring about this response. Shows her the monkey and immediately tickles her. Shows her the monkey and immediately tickles her. And anytime you tickle her, she will laugh and kick. If you do this enough, the minute you show the baby the stuffed animal in anticipation of the tickling, she's gonna laugh. So in classical conditioning, I don't have that, the neutral stimulus always becomes the conditioned stimulus, right? Again, the neutral stimulus becomes the conditioned stimulus. So here, oops, sorry, you have the stuff monkey. Now we have taught Lynn a new association where she sees a monkey, the stuffed animal, in anticipation of the tickling, she will begin to laugh and kick. This is a new association. So for these, I would suggest, and you can, whatever works for you is fine, figure out what the response is, what is automatically making the person respond in that way, and what is the neutral stimulus. And remember, the response is going to be the same whether it's unconditioned or conditioned. Good luck to you. Oh, I'm sorry. So once you have figured this out, this is what it looks like on your On yours, it will look a little bit differently. So what you want to do is there will be a text box. You want to put number 1, copy and paste this, all these, what is this, 5, put number 1, and put neutral stimulus, what the answer is, unconditioned stimulus, what the answer is. All of these you want to put in the box, and the same thing for number 2. You put number 2, copy and paste, and then fill this in. Good luck to you all.